Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Circle to build community onboarding inside apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Circle for community onboarding inside your app, start by logging into your Circle account. Navigate to the Settings tab found in the main menu. Select Integrations from the options available. Scroll down to find the section for your app integration. Click on the Connect button next to your app name. Follow the prompts to allow Circle access to your application. Once connected, head over to the Community section in your Circle dashboard. Choose the type of community you want to create. Fill in the community details, including the name and description. Set your community's privacy settings to match your goals. Next, go to the Onboarding tab. Create an onboarding guide tailored for your users. Add steps that highlight essential features and benefits of your community. Incorporate multimedia elements, such as images or videos, to enhance engagement. Consider including a welcome message that welcomes new users. Set up a feedback mechanism to gather insights from new members. Once your onboarding guide is ready, publish it to make it accessible. Next, return to your app's integration settings. Link the onboarding guide directly within your app. Ensure that new users receive notifications about the guide when they join. Test the onboarding flow to ensure a seamless experience for new members. Finally, review and tweak the onboarding process regularly based on user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.